Okay, please, all of you ready with notebook and pen. Notebook and pen, all of you please get ready. Just wait for a minute half. After that, I will start the class. All of you please get ready with your notebook and pen. Right. Okay, now I'm starting the class. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So now all of you tell me, what do you mean by the word negotiation? What do you mean by the word negotiation? What do you mean by this word negotiation? Can any one of you?
Ma'am, means to increase or decrease the price of certain quantity we are buying or something like that.
Okay. Anyone else want to try?
Making any deal favorable to us.
Making
Any kind of business deal favorable to us.
Okay.
ourselves.
Okay. Anyone else?
And for convincing something for in our price, something
For convincing?
convincing anything for buying, like any fruits, yeah, anything in our mindset.
Acha. Next, anyone? Hello? I'm not getting your voice properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, Shubham.
जी मैम, मोल भाव करना मैम किसी भी चीज के लिए।
Are you able to see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Art of negotiation. Okay. The art of negotiation. Now, first introduction, I'm going to start with you. Successful negotiation is an art that comes naturally to some, but must be devil open by most. Successful negotiation is an art that comes natural to some, but must be developed by most. So, negotiation, who has told me mol bhav karna? Who has told me that the meaning negotiation means mol bhav karna? Is anyone? Can you give any example of a negotiation? Can you give me some example of negotiation? Who has told me ना? कौन किसने बोला था मोल भाव करना? Please answer me.
जी
Shubhajit,
मैम। हेलो
yeah. You have told ना मोल भाव करना.
शुभ मैम।
किसने बोला था मोल भाव करना negotiation means?
जी मैम।
Yeah, you are right. मोल भाव करना.
मैम
हाँ?
थैंक यू मैम।
Negotiation means mol bhav karna. Sometimes we are buying something, we used to say to the buyer or seller that no, itna hum nahi de payenge. This much only I can give. So negotiation was mostly used for a business purpose. Okay, my goodness, it's so thundering. How is your weather over there? How's the weather?
Shiny, ma'am.
Sunny, ma'am.
Raining, ma'am.
So,
It's too pleasant here, ma'am.
yeah, it's raining heavily over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, but must be developed by most. Negotiating is a part of everyday. Negotiating a part of everyday. Every day we are facing this kind of situations. हम लोग देखते हैं इस kind of situations को.
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ देखते हैं? ज्यादातर कहाँ मिलता है हमको ये सब चीज देखने?
कपड़ा के
Market
दुकान
में।
में।
बाजार में
बाजार में.
Vegetable market.
और in bookshops.
Showroom.
Ma'am, corporates dealing with one another.
Yeah, very
Cloth shop.
good. Very, very good.
Market, ma'am.
Yeah, market. Everyday market you will see mostly these types of things. Is it?
Yes,
by
ma'am.
women.
Now, You must have observed while buying a car, furniture, or house that all of us try to bargain the price that we have to pay. Even during HR interviews, candidates have a negotiate skills. Sometimes someone is hiring some of the employees. What they want, that what they want, that we should hire any of the employees at very low rate. We should not hire in a high wages. At least we should try. If the interviewer, if the interview has come for the candidate, just get ready at less amount of salary. If someone tells no, you are a fresher, you cannot be given so much highly wages on daily basis. Is it? So at that point of view, what they try is they are negotiating all those things. Now, second one. In daily market volatility, we used to try negotiating the customers for little for 10 or 20 rupees, sometimes for rupees 5, like that. This is an everyday example. Yes or no? In
Yes,
fact,
ma'am. Yes,
in
ma'am.
business, poor negotiation affects the total health and wealth of the company, as it may cripple its growth and result in losing key customers or great financial losses in business deals at the workplace. We negotiate with other clients. We negotiate at other clients. Now, अदर क्लाइंट्स के साथ हम जब निगोशिएट अब करते हैं तो क्या होता है, कभी कभी हमारा काम सक्सेसफुल होता है, कभी कभी क्या होता है, इट इज नॉट सक्सेसफुल. अगर हम किसी के साथ ऑलवेज बार्गेनिंग करेंगे, डू इट विल बी हेल्पफुल अस टू अस? क्या हमारे साथ कोई काम करने के लिए तैयार रहेगा?
No, ma'am.
क्या बोलेगा? नो, वी शुड नॉट वर्क विद देम. यही बोलेगा ना. एक बार वो करेगा, दोबारा वो करेगा, थर्ड टाइम ही विल डेफिनेटली से नो, वी डोंट वांट. नाउ next part. However, it is not easy to perform this task without skill, efficiency, and persuasion. Although every negotiation is different, the basic elements do not change. The question now arises that negotiation is and how we can develop and act at it. Now the definition of negotiation. According to the freedictionary.com, negotiation is the act or process of conferring or discussing to reach agreement in matters of business or state. This means it is a kind of bargain with others for a treaty or contract for expansion of business, maximization of profit, or better growth of the state. Now, the word negotiation comes early from the 15th century French word negotiation, which means business trade. Now, if I am hiring someone of you as the manager of this company, now I'm giving you one of the case studies. Now you have to answer me. I hope you have understood this paragraph, or I shall make you understand once again, because now I am going to give you one case study. Are you able to understand? That means it is a kind of bargain with others for a treaty or contract for expansion of business, maximization of profit, or better growth of the state. Got it? Now, I am giving a case study. Please answer me. If you are the admin officer of some of the office, then company has given you a budget of rupees 1 lakh. You have to pay to the employees, and you have maximum number of employees you can hire, minimum number of employees you can hire. There is no restrictions to you people, but finally the company will give you a fund of 1 lakh. So how you will manage those things? You will not give money from your pocket, but you have to do that work within a month. It is a heavy, huge task. You have to complete anyhow. Otherwise, you have to give a penalty of rupees 1 lakh to the company. So how you will manage and how many employees you will fix? Now, please tell me. And you have to also show the profit to the company also. From this 1 lakh, you have to show profit to the company also. Now, how you will manage? Please think and say to me. This is a case study. Please say.
मैम क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर रिपीट कीजिएगा.
On the basis of negotiation, okay. I am repeating the sentence on which you have to go through. This means it is a kind of bargain with others for a treaty or contract for expansion of business, maximization of profit, or better growth of the state. Now, I should tell in Hindi, it will be easy for you people, or I should repeat in English only?
हिंदी मैम.
Okay. मान लीजिए आप कोई कंपनी के फाइनेंस के एडमिन के डिपार्टमेंट के कोई एम्प्लॉय है. आपको कंपनी एक टास्क देता है जिसको 1 महीने में कंप्लीट करना है. कंपनी आपको 1 लाख रुपया देगा जिसमें आप कितने भी नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज को आप रख सकते हैं. देयर इज नो लिमिटेशन ऑफ मैक्सिमम नंबर. मैक्सिमम भी रख सकते हो, मिनिमम भी रख सकते हो, लेकिन कंपनी का एक शर्त, उस 1 लाख रुपए में से आपको कंपनी को प्रॉफिट भी देना है, प्लस समय में आपका काम भी होना चाहिए, प्लस अगर आप ये काम नहीं करते हैं देन कंपनी को आपको 1 लाख रुपए का पेनल्टी आपको अपना पर्सनली भरना पड़ेगा. तो आप अपने थॉट से कैसे मैनेज करोगे? आप कितना एम्प्लॉयज को आप हायर करोगे, आप उससे कितना घंटा काम करोगे, आप उसमें क्या क्वालिटीज देखोगे ताकि आपका काम भी हो, कंपनी को प्रॉफिट भी हो और आपका प्रमोशन भी हो.
काम क्या वो तो बताए ही नहीं.
मैम ये तो डिपेंड करेगा ना कि किस तरह का काम करना है.
हो सकता है
ये तो काम पे डिपेंड करेगा ना.
आपके ऊपर है. वही तो मैं बोली ना, केस स्टडी है. केस स्टडी.
Can I answer, ma'am?
हाँ, या
Can I explain in Hindi?
हाँ.
Can I explain in Hindi? It will be easy for me.
I will say that please try to speak in English if you can. It will be good for the English communication class.
Okay, ma'am. I will try. At first, I analyze the whole task.
Please be louder. Please be louder. Here it is thundering and raining.
What, ma'am? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Tanay, please be louder.
Ma'am, at first I analyzes the whole task, time taken, how much time is taken to complete the task, and which type of candidate is suitable for this task. Then if I have 1 month, then I posted a freelancer I hired a freelancer and posted my task for 15 days. If I get a result in 15 days, then I will pay her. Or a negotiation is very less on the freelancer sites because there is मतलब, freelancers posted their bids.
Yeah.
So negotiations from my side is very less. And when I hire someone, I can easily choose on the basis of his or her experience and um, certificates or other parameters. Then I
1 minute, 1 minute. You have heard the use
ma'am.
freelancer. Okay. So when
Yes.
you are saying about the
ma'am.
word freelancer, so then you will give some of the tasks to the freelancer. You will also have some certain types of, what should I say, your agreement that you will be getting money after completing the tasks, because in some of the freelancer sites you will be having that they charge hourly, they charge on daily basis, they charge on part wise. So how you will
Yes, ma'am.
manage?
If the work is done by daily basis or hour basis, I just give the whole task and give them a duration of 15 days because I have to submit on 1 month.
Yeah.
I give him to 15 days because if they unable to complete the task, then I have a backup. That's why I give him only 15 days. And then when I select anyone, there is a negotiation. He will charge and I will negotiate that another person whose profile is this is that who offers less money, why I give you the tender or task. Then there is a negotiation, and in chief price, I can hire the मतलब expert क्या बोले इसको मतलब good candidate, I think. And this type I can hire क्या बोला हम आगे हिंदी में बोले मतलब नहीं हो पाता.
Okay.
हाँ?
Yeah.
तो एक्चुअली क्या है ना मैम कि अगर हम एक्चुअली फ्रीलांसिंग से क्या होगा कि हम नेगोशिएट करके फिर उसको कम पैसे में अच्छे कैंडिडेट को हायर करके कम टाइम में टास्क को अच्छा कर सकते हैं. इससे क्या होगा कि अगर किसी काम के लिए ड्यूरेशन 1 महीने दिया हुआ और अगर वो हो जाता है तो नहीं होता तो बैकअप तो है, लेकिन अगर वो हो जाता है तब उस समय क्या होगा कि वो कंपनी को कम प्रॉफिट में कम टाइम में एग्जैक्ट वही क्वालिटी मिलेगा उस टास्क के लिए जो उनको चाहिए. और अगर नहीं होता तो मेरे पास और भी 15 डेज का टाइम रहता है जिसमें कि मैं अपने बैकअप प्लान को रन करूंगा.
Very good, Tanay, very good. Very good. You understand my question and your answer is very much satisfactory. Very nicely you have answered. बहुत अच्छा बोला. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any one of you,
Ma'am,
Yeah, Shubho.
first I will post an advertisement of my job opening in any job portal or newspaper. There I will put the salary and the kind of work I require.
Yeah.
So that I would have to not to negotiate with the employees that how much I will pay. There only I will declare the salary.
Okay.
Here somebody will apply for the job and then I will ask them to show me their sample work
Yeah.
in the required field. On the basis of them, that I will select them and do the work within the stipulated time.
But do you think if they will present, if they are experience holder, they will be agree in doing at less sum of money? If we can hire some of the freshers,
Those who
one
will
minute,
require the job means
one
okay,
minute.
ma'am.
if we try to move for the freshers, okay, and giving them less money, okay,
Okay.
giving them a less money, since they are fresher, they have a new energy to do something, some projects. Will it will be, how many of you are agree that experienced holder is most preferred than a fresher for doing this kind of
Ma'am,
jobs?
experienced holder and fresher both have drawbacks.
How?
And first of all, fresher, he doesn't has any practical experience.
Okay.
But experienced holder, he has practical experience, but he will not be able to adapt to new technology.
Yeah.
Whereas the fresher can easily adapt to a new technology.
Yeah.
He has experienced one is working on a particular technology for many years.
Yeah.
And he will stick to that only.
Yeah. So how you will? So this is your plan.
And according to, I think that person's sample work, I can easily decide and judge how the person will work.
How possible? Okay. Anyone, any else opinion?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, first of all, I will analyze the work
Yeah.
and
Very
then
good.
divide the work. Then I will divide the work in some parts according to my work, which I have to take from the newly hired employees.
Yes, you
Then
can
I will
you
post.
can, for a sample, you can just manage any work. You can just take for an example by assumption. You can just mention that. There is no problem. You can name your work. Okay. There is no problem. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Then I will post an ad of vacancy.
Okay.
Then I will, ma'am, take the interview and I will sort the all selected candidates according to their which they have the history of doing such kind of tasks. And finally, I will give them the prototype of task, and among them which they complete that task, I will select, and I will also see some qualities into them like hardworking, high productivity, can work in pressure within time limit, and who prefers quality of work instead of money he or she receiving. And I will give them payment or salary according to the market study up to which like that kind a group of workers are getting into the corporate sector whenever they are working.
Next, anyone? Next, anyone of you? No one. Aditya, sweetie,
Yes, ma'am.
any opinions from your side?
Ma'am, first we analyze the work, what we have to do. Then we also divide the employee that just like which work they want to do. And then we will divide the money for which, just like.
That means you will
they-
set a strategy. You will
Yes,
set
sir.
a work strategy.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. First we set the work strategy. Just like we will decide the money that which level I will give what money.
Strategy. It is that strategy how you will move on, how you proceed. Okay. Now, after setting the
Yes.
strategy, what you will do?
Then I will also see the profit of the company, what they want. Just because there are many types of profit that the company want.
Very good.
So I will see what they want, and then if they are possible, then I will make profit. Otherwise, if it is not possible, then how can I will make a profit?
Very good. But everyone is saying everything.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are giving your opinions on various
Yes, ma'am.
types. Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
But nobody has mentioned the preparation.
Hello,
You-
ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Balram.
हाँ मैम, फर्स्ट टाइम सपोज कोई भी कंपनी है तो मुझे सपोज एक बजाज कंपनी जो भी कंपनी एक प्रोजेक्ट दिया है मैम,
Yeah.
सपोज प्रोजेक्ट का है 1 लाख रुपए का प्रोजेक्ट दिया है,
Yeah.
तो हम क्या करेंगे 3 टाइप्स का इंजीनियर हम लेंगे।
हाँ.
फर्स्ट टाइम का ITI लेंगे, उसका ऊपर का लेवल का
engineering
लेंगे
project.
आपका
You were selecting an engineering project, है ना बलराम?
इंजीनियरिंग प्रोजेक्ट। यस मैम।
Yeah. Okay. Now move ahead.
फर्स्ट टाइम ITI लेवल का स्टूडेंट लेंगे,
Yeah.
उसको हम सपोज सैलरी देंगे 8,000 रुपया पर मंथ।
हाँ.
तो उसका ऊपर डिप्लोमा लेंगे, उसको सैलरी देंगे 10,000 रुपया पर मंथ।
Okay.
तो उसका ऊपर रखेंगे बीटेक 3 लिया है और सपोज डिप्लोमा लिया है 2-3 स्टूडेंट, और सारे ITI को हम लेंगे। तो क्या करना है, जो बीटेक को ज्यादा सैलरी देना पड़ेंगे तो उसको एक ही आदमी को लेंगे, तो क्या है काम तो बहुत कम कम करेंगे उन लोग बीटेक वाले।
Yeah.
तो क्या करेंगे, जो ITI जो आदमी है उसका ऊपर हम पैसा डाल लेंगे, जो सपोज मेरा 1 महीना का जो काम है उसको 20 दिन में खत्म करना चाहिए। तो उसके ऊपर क्या करना, ज्यादा ही पैसा डालना ही पड़ेंगे, तो उन लोग 8 घंटा जगह से 10 घंटा काम करेंगे, तो उसका कुछ कुछ हो जाएंगे। तो उसका ऊपर जो लेवल का जो इंजीनियर है, डिप्लोमा वाले जो इंजीनियर है, वो भी काम करेंगे। उसका कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, उसके लास्ट में बीटेक पास आएंगे। तो हम क्या करेंगे, सपोज 100 रुपया में 60% इन्वेस्ट कर दिए और 40% कंपनी का प्रॉफिट होगा।
No, 40% company's profit cannot be manageable because see, if you are hiring, अगर आप ITI diplomas के लेते हैं, they will work on the field areas. Maximum number of profit you can give to a company is 20 to 25%.
मैम एक प्रॉब्लम है मैम इसमें।
यस मैम।
Yeah, कुणाल।
मैम सभी कोई बोल रहे कि हायर करेंगे, बट आज का टाइम में कोई भी फैशन नहीं है किसी का जॉब करना, सब कोई प्रोफेशन हो। कोई 10 दिन 15 दिन के लिए जॉब मैम करने के लिए रेडी तो नहीं होगा ना।
100%. The freelancer he has told now very nicely. He has told. I'm forgetting the name. ये freelancer के बारे में कौन बोला? तनय ना कौन बोला? तनय ही बोला।
तनय भास्कर।
Yeah, Tanay. You only told ना. Freelancer, you will see ना. There are so many candidates who are working, but there are so many candidates who are willing to do jobs at very less cost. On daily basis, they want. Sometimes you will see on daily basis wages, they want a job. First thing is that we will move. Balram has also told very correctly, because जब हमारा ground level का when work is there, so why should I will hire a BTech? जब मेरा काम डिप्लोमा से चल जाएगा, पॉलिटेक्निक वाला से चल जाएगा, then why I will hire a BTech? BTech को हम बॉस बना के रख सकते हैं उन लोग का सुपरवाइजर टाइप्स, and under that that's all polytechnic and all those ITIs people will work, है ना?
यस मैम।
So इस तरह से क्या होगा कि हमको कम सैलरी देना पड़ेगा। बीटेक वाला अगर मेरा एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर है, if I am having the BTech person as an experience holder man, then why should I will give? है ना? Balram also told very nicely, Tanay Bhaskar also told very nicely. And one point of Aditya Switi I like very much, that is plan strategy. The work strategy, how she will shift. Now, we will be continue the next session also. Now I'm just coming to this negotiation part once again. Now, from where this word has derived, we have come already. That means business trade, and from Latin word negotiationum, that stands for business traffic. Since emotion, luck, and magic have no place in a successful negotiation, it becomes essential for us to know what steps the negotiation process involves and how to go about develop better negotiation skills in order to be successful. And what are those processes? The process of negotiation comprises the following 6 strategies. Okay. So now, what are the 6 strategies of negotiation? You can see it on the screen. First is relationship building. If our relationship is good, then क्या होगा? We have a good relationship building. We have to establish a good relationship. Now, after relationship building, what thing you can say? क्या बोल सकते हैं? Information gathering. Someone has told about this information gathering also to me. Okay, next, strategy formulation. This is being used by Aditya Switi. Strategy formulation. And this relationship building already told Shubhajit. Now, 4. A win-to-win solution with persuasive tool. You have to show the confidence level. Yeah, you are confident. If you will be confident, then people will believe on you. If you will be not confident, then no one will believe in you. Will anyone will believe in you if you are not confident enough? Is it possible that anyone will believe on you? अगर आप कोई चीज कॉन्फिडेंस से नहीं बोलोगे तो क्या आपके ऊपर कोई बिलीव करेगा? Yes or no?
No.
No. Next, concessions and agreements contracts. Okay, you always have to give some of the contract letters, some agreements, and in that you have to mention some concessions. Now, final offer for closing the deal. You have to finally close the deal after this contract, and in that contract, in that agreement, you should mention all your, what should I say, all your things that you want from employee, and he is totally agreed, because after that he can't say anything to you people. I know. So that he can't say anything to you people. Everything should be as clear as a crystal. Is it clear? Is it clear to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I'm sharing the screen of your Google Classroom. Please note down your class code. First, please note down your class code. You are the 4th semester students and your class code. I am DECEVF. Okay. Have you completed? Have you completed your class code?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, sir.
Yeah, what happened?
Nothing.
All of you have written? Shall I move?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is a Google Classroom, okay? Here I will post all those things and you have to give your assignments over here only. Got it? Now, next. So in the next class, at 310, we will see different types of negotiation styles. What are the different types of negotiation styles? Up to here, is it clear to all of you? यहाँ तक सबको को क्लियर है अभी तक जो पढ़ाए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
If anyone is having any problem, they can ask me. Before moving to the another topic, if you have any problem, you can ask me. So no problem.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Kenneth W. Thomas, a famous researcher on the art of negotiation, has identified 5 styles of negotiation. Negotiators, what are the qualities a negotiator should be having? Okay, the qualities are: negotiators can be soft, hard, or principled, and can have strong positions towards numerous styles